Hello. How do you get your own customized banquet chair? It's actually quite easy and it's also quite fast. We need 30 days to produce your chair and then make the delivery to your address in the European Union. A little bit about the chair and the possibilities you have to design your own banquet chair. The chair comes in 5 different shapes. You can see 3 of them here, the most popular ones. You can choose between 130 frame colors, 600 different kind of fabrics, all of them professional fabrics with at least 100,000 martindale. The frame is a strong, solid steel frame, 20 by 20 by 1.2. There are 3 layers of coating. The last layer of coating has a special anti-scratch feature. The chair comes with a 3-year factory warranty. It has also a Remodex certificate, a Remodex endurance certificate, so it can hold up to 200 kilograms. Of course, the chair is also stackable, so a durable, solid and practical banquet chair with a lot of possibilities for you to design your own chair so it fits into your interior. You can contact us and we will send you a link so you can sit and design your own chair by your computer. Then we will make you an offer and the offer will be including delivery to your address anywhere in the European Union. Thank you.